Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to run Python files and Python scripts on your Windows machine. So the first thing you want to do, you'll need to have Python 3 installed. So if you don't have that set up yet, go watch the previous video on installing Python for your system. But if you're on a Windows machine and you already have Python installed, you can come here to your search and type CMD or command prompt and hit enter. And this will open up your command prompt. If you have Python correctly installed, you should be able to type Python or py and verify that when you either type Python or py that you have a version of Python 3 that starts running. You can always quit that with the word quit and open and closing parentheses. Okay, so Python can be executed in this shell by simply writing your code. This is called a read, evaluate, print loop. And what happens is you can just write your code in here and you can just hit enter and it will evaluate whatever you have typed in here. This is interactive and it's just going to stay running until you quit it. So you can just keep typing your Python code in here. So let's quit that and I'll show you another way. Over here I have a Python file. You can open this with idle, which is the default Python editor, or with something else, and you'll see all I have in here that says print hello from the file. I've got that saved on my desktop. So what I'm going to do here is move to my desktop, and what I'm going to do is then type Python, and I'm going to type learn, and then I'm going to hit tab for autocomplete. So you can see this has a Python, a .py extension on this file. And so I'm going to type Python space and then the name of that file with the file extension of Python. And I'm going to hit enter and it still runs that file. So just by calling Python learn py, hit enter and it runs that file. The other thing you can do is just drag this file into here. Click drag and it will paste the path to that file. And because it has a Python extension, if you hit enter, it still runs that file here in your command prompt. So those are a couple of the ways that we're going to be working with our scripts. For now, you can either write them in a file and save it and then run it, or you can just open up a shell here and run your code in the command prompt. So that's how to get started running files or scripts on a Windows machine. I'll show you how to work with that in Macintosh in another video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.